Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is just a normal regular process video and I decided to do some challenges over Labor Day weekend, and this one was called the Khristina choice out of the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. And the choice was to pick from her favorite things. So there was black and whites with pop of color, which is what I'm going to do here. Puffy stickers, which is what I'm using. Stamping, packaging techniques, big titles, cut files, torn paper, and stars. So we were supposed to pick at least 2 of these to incorporate in a project. So I did the black and white with the pops of colors. I did the puffy stickers. I didn't really do the packaging technique. However, I did do splatters, so I did add a little mixed media. And I distressed all of my edges for when I get done with this. Now, I did do a sketch as well that I found on my Pinterest page that I will link down below as well, along with like this challenge. I'll copy and paste that in there. Just to try it out yourself. I absolutely loved, I love doing challenges. It really gets my mojo going, and I do the challenges quite a bit. I do love doing them. So this sketch that I followed had a bunch of diagonal lines, and that's what I work with. I'm just cutting these up. I don't show this all in the process because if I did, Lord, we'd be here for a while, because I had to distress everything, get it all lined up, and then tape it down, and you know, etc., yada yada. So I'm just going through all of my papers and I'm looking to see like what colors I want and what I am using. Now, I did get this collection. This is the summer collection from Cocoa Vanilla. I ended up getting this one from Scrapbook Your Joy, and that is what I used from that. So I'll link that down below as well. I mean, I think they may still have some of it left. If they don't, I do know that a cherry on top does too. I absolutely love this collection. I've been using it a lot with my summer ones, and I'm going to keep doing my summer collections. I'm going to keep using this one at least for this year to finish it out, because I love it. It's actually really perfect for my photos and my family. So here I am. You can see that I'm pasting some of it. I don't have quite a bit of the papers left that are 12 by 12s, but I do have the 6 by 8s. So that is what I am using to get these all lined up, and you know, just getting the lines correct. Even though that I'm placing some of these 6 by 6 together, by the time that I get done putting my photo on there, it actually, you can't even tell that I'm pasting 2 papers together to be able to get my lines matched up. So here I am. I'm just going through and doing all of the distressing. Here is one of the challenges. I'm doing all of that. Now, life update. Let's see here. I am going in for my second, believe it or not, second full week of like school in itself. I haven't actually taught my second full week of school since school started on the 9th of August. Because the week of the 9th of August, I did teach that full week, and then my class went out on the 16th of August, and then we were virtual, and then I was gone on the 30th of August. Last week, we taught 2 days from Learn From Home, and then we only had 2 days of school, inside school, and then we were out again for the weekend. So this is actually my second week of full school, so it's going to be interesting, but I do absolutely love what I'm doing. We are able to get technology in the classrooms, so oh my gosh, y'all, you don't understand. I am super duper excited for it. I cannot wait to teach these kids a lot about technology and what they should do and how they should use it and all this stuff. I cannot wait. It'll be so much fun for them, and it'll be a lot of fun for me because I am such a tech geek. I love it. So here I am. I'm just doing the paint. The white paint splatters are from Dana Weekly's. I ran out of my other white, and I just haven't gone in to get anything new. So I was like, you know what? I'll just use what I have, and it actually works out really well. I do actually like the white. It doesn't chalk up. You know, some of the white paint that you get to do, you know, like your splattering, it like makes it look chalky or it makes it like crack, and this white from Dana Winkling doesn't do it. So I did at least find a white. The black paint stick is fantastic. It's from Liquitex. I get it off of Amazon. That is fantastic as well. I really love doing that. So in the sketch, it had also now these two. It had only one page or one paper behind the photos, but I decided to do two just to make it look fancy-dancy and just to get my photos on there. The photo that my daughter and I are in the backyard. This is on the 4th of July weekend. Like the 4-day weekend that my husband had while my husband was home this whole entire time because of COVID. Because this is our COVID summer that I am working on. So between my husband and I, we did some grilling and got some of that fun stuff done. And then what else did we do? We just hung around and played a couple of games outside. And then my daughter played in the pool with Asher Basher, our puppers, and all of that stuff. And then we just kind of hung out, and they did some, I haven't gotten to them yet, but they did get some light up stuff from our next door neighbor that was at the time. So yeah. And these were just my photos. These are like my photos of that summer. I just loved how it turned out. So I did do a black line and an outline, a white outline around the outside, and then black within that, so I kept going with that black and white theme. And then my title is something or another, I can't remember. Happy Together, I think? Yeah, Happy Together, that's what it was. I did this layout a little while ago, and then now I'm just doing the voiceover, so I couldn't remember what I did for the title because I'm one of them. If y'all don't know, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do traveler's notebooks, all of this stuff. My traveler's notebooks I normally do during the winter because school gets crazy and all of that kind of stuff. And I like to do traveler's notebooks during that time because I can do like 3 or 4 of them in like an hour or so. It just makes it easier for me to scrapbook and still keep stuff on my channel. Obviously, I'm on design teams and all of that fun stuff. I just love doing all of this. So I decided to take the Puffy stickers and the wording that are on the bottom of this sticker, or the sticker pack that Cocoa Vanilla has, and place the stickers everywhere and then put the Puffy stickers on top of it or somewhere just to jazz it up a little bit more. And then that is about it. I absolutely love how this turns out. So Kaylin is back at school. She's loving it. She's been doing well. If you guys didn't know, my daughter got tested and is now got diagnosed with ADHD and autism. So my daughter and I are having fun times getting that all organized and ready to go. I kind of knew it already. I already had this inkling of everything, but it's now getting when Dad gets home sometime here in the December, January, February time frame, somewhere around there, who knows. But when he gets home, then we got to get him acclimated into all of this. So it'll be some fun times coming around the new year. I cannot believe it. We're going in almost into fall. We're like 10 days away from fall and autumn. I just love that. Pumpkin spice has been all over my house. I have changed all that out. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. Again, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I would so love to have you hit that like and subscribe button. All it is free. It helps my channel out. I'm super close to 3,000 subscribers. I would love to, by January, give away my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I am super close. I am under 200. Oh my gosh, under 200, and I did it within a year. It is like a big accomplishment for me. So I'm gonna leave you with this. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.